Hi friends, here bisection method is very useful to find out the root of an equation. Here the equation in terms of algebraic or transcendental. Here algebraic means the equation in terms of x and y. The transcendental equations means the equation may be trigonometric functions or logarithmic functions. Here in this video we can find out the root of an equation. Here the following steps to follow. The following procedure is to follow to find out the root of an equation. Here f of x is equals to 0. This is our equation. To find out the root of this equation, here step 1 is, let us assume the values of a and b. Here the such that f of a, we can assume the value of f of a is greater than 0 and the value of f of b is less than 0. Here the values of f of a and f of b are having opposite signs. Here, so therefore the root lies between a and b. The root lies between a and b. Here we can find out the step 1. In step 1, the first approximation value is x1. Here the x1 value is the ratio of a plus b by 2, because of here f of a and f of b are having opposite signs. So therefore the ratio of a plus b by 2 gives the first approximation value. Calculate f of x1 value. Suppose f of x1 value is less than 0. So here root lies between x1 and x1 value. F of x1 value is less than 0, that means negative sign. Here f of a value is greater than 0, so therefore the root lies between x1 and a. Similarly, step 2, in step 2, second approximation value is x1. Here the second approximation value x1 plus, here f of x1 is less than 0, here f of a is greater than 0, so the ratio of x1 plus a by 2 gives the second approximation value. Here f of x2 value can calculate similarly. F of x2 value, calculate f of x2 value, and suppose we can assume f of x2 value is greater than 0. Here f of x2 value is greater than 0. The root lies between x2 and, here x2 value is greater than 0, here x1 value is less than 0. These two are having opposite signs, so therefore the root lies between x2 and x1. Similarly, to find out the step 3, third approximation value, it is the ratio of x2 plus, here the f of x2 value is greater than 0 and f of x1 value is less than 0. So here in this, the ratio of x2 plus x1 by 2 gives the third approximation value. Similarly, calculate f of x3 value. Here it is also having greater than 0. Suppose it is greater than 0, the root lies between, here the root lies between x3 and, here the root lies between x3 and x3 means here f of x3 greater than 0, it is having positive sign. It is here f of x2 value is also having positive sign. Here in f of x1 value is less than 0, that means the root lies between x3 and x1 because of f of x3 and f of x1 having opposite signs. Continue this procedure up to the last two approximation values of these two are equal. The last two approximation values, that means xn is the last approximation value and xn minus 1 is the before the last approximation value. Here these two approximation values are equal. Let us consider that is the root of an equation. Thank you, friends.